Good morning student, welcome back again in the next video bio. Today we will discuss about the muscular tissue, and there are three types of muscular tissue: voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles and the cardiac muscles. So muscular tissues form the muscles which not only help in the movement of the various parts of the body but also help in breathing, digestion, get rid of waste from the body and so on. And I already teach you about the three types of muscular tissue: voluntary muscular tissue, involuntary muscular tissue and the cardiac muscular tissue. So first one is the voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles are attached to the skeleton, so they are also known as the skeleton muscles, and they are made up of long cylindrical fiber-like cells and have a series of bands along with their length, so they are also known as the striated muscles. So voluntary muscles can be named as skeleton muscle or the striated muscles. You can see in the diagram also they have series of the bands along with their length. And the name voluntary muscles come from the fact that we can move these muscles at our will. So voluntary means the activities which are work according to our wish or the will. For example, walk, jump, grasp the things, these all belong to the voluntary actions. And when voluntary muscles contract, they move the bones attached to them, enabling to move different parts of our body. And these type of muscles are present in all parts of the body where we can move voluntary. Next type of muscles are involuntary muscles. So these muscles are made up of tapering and spindle-like cells. You can see here tapering and spindle-like cells, and they do not have a banded appearance. Unlike, see, these are the voluntary muscles, they have the parallel bands, but the involuntary muscles do not have any parallel bands. So they are known as the unstriated muscles, and they are found in the walls of the organs such as the stomach and the blood vessels. And these muscles cannot work according to our will. They are opposite to the voluntary muscles. Voluntary means which we happen according to our will, but involuntary act not according to our will but spontaneously they are doing their work, and they are present or not control in the movement or the conscious effort, and they contract and relax on their own to carry out the life process. So they contract and relax their own. For example, involuntary muscles in the alimentary canal contract in waves to help peristalsis. Means in this process the muscles of the alimentary canal contract and relax. Third types of muscles are the cardiac muscles. These are the specialized involuntary muscles present in the heart. Cardiac muscles are present only in the heart, and these muscles are made up of the branch fiber-like cells, have a banded appearance. Here you can see they are made up of branch fiber-like cells and have a banded appearance. Cardiac muscles contract and relax continuously throughout our lifetime, so that help the heart to pump the blood day and night. So the basic difference between these three, voluntary, involuntary and cardiac, it work according to our will. It does not work according to our will, but it work its own. And cardiac muscles are the only muscles which work throughout the life. Now I have written some points you should note down in your copies. So voluntary muscles attached to the skeleton, so known as the skeleton muscles. They are made up of long cylindrical fiber-like cells. They have series of band along with their length, so also known as the striated muscles, and their function is to help to move different body parts. So these type of muscles are present in the body parts which we can move ourselves. Second one is the involuntary muscles. They are found in the wall for all the walls of the organs such as stomach, and these are made up of the tapering spindle cells. They do not have walls, so known as the unstriated muscles, and the main function is to contract and relax on their own to carry out different processes. Now third is the cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles found in the heart. They are made up of branch fiber-like cells, have banded appearance. It contract and relax continuously throughout our lifetime. So it is present in the heart, and the main function of heart to pump the blood day and night. So these are the basic three difference attached to the skeleton system, found in the valve of the organ, and it is found in the heart. Made up of the long cylindrical fiber-like cells, made up of the tapering spindle cells, and made up of the branch fiber-like cells having the banded appearance. Third point is the voluntary muscle have series of band along with their length. They do not have bands, and cardiac muscles also have the bands. Voluntary muscle help to move different body parts. Involuntary help in the contract and relax on their own to carry out different processes, and cardiac muscles work throughout the lifetime to carry out the pumping of the blood through day and night.